Guys, today is 19th of June 2025. As I have promised to you yesterday that I'll explain you the artificial intelligence concepts or how can you become the top level in this artificial intelligence era. Let's get started. And today is our day 5 of our 30 days fat loss challenge. So let's get started. How can you become in it? How can you go to the top level in this artificial intelligence era? As I have been working for level 5 companies for more than 15 years, with that experience, with that perspective, I'm going to teach you. And I have worked for more than a decade for one of the big fours we have. And with that professional experience and perspective, I'm teaching you all this. From level 1 to level 10. How can you become Chief Technology Officer in Artificial Intelligence? Level 1. Level 1 role will be a college passed out, or you can call him as a fresher. We give him a role of intern. We call him as a junior analyst or AI enthusiast. He is just a learner. That is the level 1. I'll explain you later what are the key responsibilities and the salaries we get in all these levels. And level 2 is associate analyst. You can call him as AI engineer, junior AI engineer. In the professional world, we give him the designation of associate analyst. And level 3 is analyst. Level 4, senior analyst. And it goes on. Level 5 will be the consultant role. That is the main role. That is the main key role anyone can get in a professional world. And from here, the responsibilities will increase. Level 6. Level 5 is consultant. Level 6 is senior consultant. And level 7 is for senior consultant. In the professional world, we call them as a specialist senior, or some in a other terminologies we call them as a team leads, or they are specialists in any one of the leading technologies. Any technology, they are the specialist. And level 7 is the mid-level career role where currently I am in. Level 7 is a architect role. We sometimes call them as project managers. They lead the projects. They are the responsible person for the entire project. And sometimes we call them as a specialist master. And level 8 is senior manager role. We sometimes call them as specialist leads. And they even often call as a vice presidents of the company. And level 9 is director role. He directs multiple projects, and he is a technology leader. We often call them as a technology fellow as well. They are the president of the entire departments. And in that level 9 only, if we even call them as service line leaders, they lead the entire departments altogether. And the last level in any company is Chief Technology Officer or Chief AI Officer. He's the chief. He won't report to anyone except a CEO or the founders of the company, and that guy directly, it is the top level in any company. If you are crossing level 10, then boss, you can you can go and talk to Elon Musk or Sundar Pichai or Sam Altman how to reach above this level. And so, why I'm explaining you all this? In the software engineering world, the most promising job is of an AI engineer job. He is the guy who is changing the world. If you ask me to talk about artificial intelligence, I can stand here, I can talk for another, 2 or 3 hours. Everywhere you see, the world is getting powered by artificial intelligence. You might have seen the self-driving vehicles, how it is possible. It is by artificial intelligence. You might have seen the robots are cleaning the house. Who is doing that? Artificial AI. And there are so many examples. If I say, okay Google, turn off the lights, okay Google, turn off the fans, okay Google, so the phone is constantly listening to you. When I said that okay Google, then my recording got stopped and it is keep on listening to me. One example of AI. I can give hundreds of examples. In future, AI will become your pilot. In future, AI will drop your kids to the school. In future, AI will teach the classes or take the school classes. In future, AI is going to do the surgery. In future, AI is going to diagnose the your X-rays. Everything will be done by AI. It is not just for techies. AI is for everyone. Trust me. You need to learn AI, and I'll give you how can you get started in this era. If you want to get started right in AI era, first thing, you should be good in mathematics. You should love math. You should be good in linear algebra, calculus, statistics, probability. All this stuff you need to master in your plus 12 or in your 10th class. Then you should love coding. If you are AI enthusiast, right, as a beginner, if you are an intern, I expect you to learn basic understanding of coding, how the functionality works. If someone types www.google.com, what's happening, how the request is going, how the response is getting generated. If someone gives a prompt to ChatGPT, how it is getting the response, how it is generating the response, at least the basic functionality, how chatbots or model works. You should know the functionality. If I have to hire you, if I want to give you the quality analyst role, these are the bare minimum expectations I'll have from you. And the salary you will get is, might be, as you are intern, you might get $0 to $10 per hour. I'm telling you in hours because these are the international standards. This is not like, I'm not telling about you the full-time job. If you are doing freelancing, this is the standard rates for AI enthusiasts. You can call them as associate level analyst, junior analyst. If you are coming as a junior AI engineer, you should be able to train simple models. You should be able to write the code, and you should understand how to clean the data, how to pre-process the data, how to evaluate the model, and you should write the basic machine learning code. with your experience or with these responsibilities, you might get $10 to $20 per hour. And the third level is mid-level AI engineer. Here, the responsibilities will go little higher. You should understand hyperparameters tuning and how to evaluate the model, and you should work without any you should not worry working in the production environments, and you will be working under the guidance of senior engineers. You should not be able to worry, and with that experience you might get $20 to $30 per hour. And the come and the and this is the main key role in any professional world. One of the toughest jobs is of consultant role because he is kind of a sandwich guy. He he has lot of responsibilities, but his salary will be less. You need to research on natural language processing, and you need to understand how computer vision is working, like how actually how Tesla is working, how actually it is if you show the computer the cat, how it is actually telling that it is cat. And you should be able to write Gen AI code, and you should contribute. You should have at least one GitHub project, and you should contribute to OpenAI models. That is the bare minimum expectations we will have from the consultant, and you will get close to around $40 to $60 per hour. And the and from here the responsibilities will go higher. It's a team lead role, senior consultant. You can call him as a senior AI specialist, something, whatever the name you would like to call. He designs and deploy end-to-end scalable AI projects. And the other responsibilities he gets is he has to lead the smaller teams. He has to lead all the consultants. He has to lead all the junior level engineers. And he should be able to understand the real world AI or ML problems. And for this role, he'll get close to $70 to $90 per hour. And the level 7, where I am right now, is AI architect role. It's that in any career, the architect role is like a mid-level role. He talks to the CTOs, and also he talks to the junior level. This guy is the one who can reach out to the top level guy, and he can reach out to the junior level guy. He designs multi-model AI architectures and pipelines. He builds CI/CD pipelines. He works cross-functionally with all the teams in an entire project, whether it's a design team, data team, quality team, functional team, leadership team. This guy is working round the clock with all the teams, and he gets a good amount. He bill to the client with $90 to $130 per hour. Now comes the trickier part. Leadership role, senior manager, specialist lead, AI scientist, you can call him lead AI scientist. He leads multiple AI project managers, AI architects, or researchers. He drives innovation in the company. He directly deals with businesses, and he directly deals with cutting edge research. And the level 9 is director role. He is known for technical thought leadership. He sometimes invents altogether new algorithms from scratch, and he will improve the foundational models, and he will write the patents, and he will publish in top tier journals like Newer IPS, CVPR. He leads entire AI departments, and he defines AI strategy altogether for the entire company. and the roadmap of the company. He manages the entire budget, hiring, and the direction how AI products are going in the company. And for the last level, I said he might get $120 to $150 per hour, and this guy director can go $150 to $200 per hour. He can bill to the client. And the last level in any company in the professional world is chief AI officer, chief technology officer. You can call him. Sometimes he will be the CEO of the company. He does nothing. He just sets global AI vision, and he just work on the innovation part and ethics part. He directly deals with the big shot guys, and he works with the government sectors, and he collaborates with governments. He'll go and talk in the global. He'll go and talk in the TED channels, or he go and talk in the global think tanks, and he collaborate with the top class universities. He might be the one who is going to build the next gen AI platform, something like OpenAI, DeepMind, DeepSeek, Anthropic leadership roles. And after this level, boss, you need to go and meet Geoffrey Hinton, Jan LeCun, or Sam Altman, or Mark Zuckerberg, or Sundar Pichai, or you go and meet Elon Musk, who are actually shaping the future of humanity through artificial intelligence. And I'll see you tomorrow in my next vlog. Thank you for listening. Now it's time for me to go to the gym and do strength based push workout. Today I'll target my chest and triceps. Thank you.